Hello guys, welcome to the course of TCP/IP. Today will be discussing about the ICMP version 4 versus ICMP version 6. So before this video, what we have discussed about the ICMP version 4 separately and ICMP version 6 separately. So now it's time to discuss, now differentiate what are the different messages are available and their types of this ICMP protocols, because the purpose of both the protocols are same, but one is what the version 4 and one is what the version 6. So as you know, guys, the ICMP stand for Internet Control Message Protocol. So here what we have three columns. Very first column is the parameters. Second is what the ICMP message is. And in the third column, what we have the ICMP version 6 equivalent messages. What I'm doing, first I'm taking the parameter that destination is unreachable. So what do you mean by destination unreachable? So destination unreachable is what by some means the sender and the receiver. Let's see if I'm sending message to the receiver and receiver is not reachable. There can be multiple reasons that the receiver cannot be reachable, like cable is not connected, let's say IP address is not set, etc., etc. So on the basis of that, what we are differentiating which type of value or what type of value and what type of code is available to that particular destination is unreachable. If I talked about let's say we should talk about the ICMP version 4. So destination unreachable, let's say network is unreachable. Here in a network is unreachable, it means what? There is a type 3 and the code 0. This value is available. Where in terms of ICMP version 6, destination unreachable, no route to destination, the type 1 and the code 0. Okay, so network is not reachable because of some reason, and reason can be type, this is indicated by the type 3, where here it is indicated by type 1 and code 0. Then host is unreachable, that is the host, that computer is or any laptop or any device is not reachable. The reason will be, and that is what the type 3, and that will be code 1. So code 1, whenever there is in packet, any packet, let's say code 1 is available, so you can say host is unreachable. Here in version 6, destination unreachable, address unreachable, who is having the type 1 and code 3 equivalent to this. Then protocol is unreachable. So protocol has not set, protocol has not configured. Type is 3, the code is 2. Here the parameter problem, that is unrecognized next header type encountered, type 4 and code 1. So if we talked about, let's say port is unreachable. So here type 3 as default for every destination unreachable, type 3 is there, but code is 3. And destination unreachable, port unreachable in IP version, ICMP version 6, type 1 and subcode is what? The 4. So here what the type and 1, a type and code. Type is a main category of that kind of message. Here in terms of the type 3 is destination unreachable, and code 0 is what? The subcategory. Destination is unreachable because of network unreachable, because of host unreachable, because of protocol unreachable, because of port unreachable. There can be 16 here in IP version 6, IP ICMP. There are 16 reasons to destination unreachable, but here very few categories are available. Okay. Next, what we can say, the communication with destination host is administratively prohibited. Again, we can say the admin who has set who has what the rights to set up all the things, and that administrator has prohibited the communication with destination host, that admin don't want to allow any others to communicate with destination, that type 3 and the code is what? 10. But in terms of the version 6, destination unreachable, communication with the destination administratively prohibited with the type 1 and the code 1. So this is the theory about this, what the differences related with the destination is unreachable. Let's take about the second parameter, and that parameter is what? The fragmentation. What do you mean by fragmentation? Fragmenting is what? Making this particular packet or dividing this packet into different small segments or small packets or datagrams. That is what the fragmentation. Here in fragmentation in ICMP version 4 or IP version 4, the source and the router have a rights to divide that packets into the sub small chunks. But in ICMP version 6, only source can divide that fragment into divide that packet into the fragment. Okay, so here fragmentation is needed, and DF do not fragment set, type 3, code 4 as specified in RFC 1191. Okay, so here this is also available. But in terms of the IP ICMP version 6, packet to big message is available. Here there is no message, but packet 2 big message available whose type is 2 and code is 0. Where once any packet 2 message is arrived, that router checked this message is too big. So it is better to inform the source that can you please slow down, can you please small down that particular packet so that we can accept that particular datagrams or segments with us. Okay, so these are the differences. Let's go for the further differences, guys. Now there is a redirect. Redirection is a parameter. On the basis of this, redirection type 5 and code 0 in IP version ICMP version 4. In ICMP version 6, the neighborhood discovery redirection message is available with the type is what 137 and code is 0. What do you mean by redirection? Redirection is what diverting that route, selecting a best route from which if the one is collapsed and what will be the alternative. So that is what the, and this ultimately it is what the discovering the neighbors, what we can say, discovering the host or intermediate nodes. This is what available. Then time exceeded. The time exceeded is what a TTL exceeded in transient whose type is 11, code is 0. In terms of 6, time exceeded hop limit exceeded in transient, type 3, code 0. Okay, so here type 11, here type 3. Then time exceeded fragment reassembly time exceeded. What we have, fragment reassembly time exceeded itself. So type is 11, code is 1. Here in terms of IP version 6, the time exceeded fragment reassembly time exceeded type 3 and code 1. So this is what available. Now parameter problem. The parameter problem is what the parameter in the of that particular header itself. There is no any problem of any, what we can say, the errors. The problem is what the related with that field itself with the IP version 4 and IP version 6. So here parameter problem is a type 12 and code 0. In IP version 6, parameter problem is what the type 4 code 0 or it may be code 2. There can be two parameters. Let's just say ambiguity is there, any field is missing, any kind of value is not set to that particular field is value is what, any incorrect value is set. That is what the parameter problem. Then header size. What header size? ICM IP version 4 has the header size of what 20 to 60 bytes, whereas IP version 6 has a header of the 40 byte infix. Then source queen message. What happened to the source queen message? When the source has, let's say, queen, in what there is a lots of congestion in the upper. Okay, so that he is no more that to accepting in the mode to accept the particular packets. So it is going to be a source queen message whose type is 4, code 0. What happened in the source queen message? Then destination informed to the source that can you please slow down your flow so that I can receive in order. Let's say I can receive in my fashion. Okay, then this message is not available in ICMP version 6. That is source queen message. That is in optional, it is available. Then message type. There are two messages here. Error and query messages are available in ICMP version 4, whereas error and informational message presents over here. So error and information message. So error is what? Reporting the error. What kind of error has been occurred? Destination unreachable, redirection, time exit, any kind of error can be happened. And information messages are you going to be for the diagnosis purpose. It is going to be for a diagnosis purpose. Okay. So these are the differences between the ICMP version 4 and ICMP version 6. What we have discussed about the only differences between the ICMP version 4 and 6 on the basis of the error messages, not other parameters. Okay, so I hope guys this is okay with you. And before this we have discussed ICMP version 4 and ICMP version 6 separately. So please do watch that video also. Thank you.